Let's do multiplication with exponents. And imagine that the instructions said to simplify. So here we have x squared times x to the third power. So before I show you the shortcut, let me show you what you're doing. I mean, x squared, if you wrote it out, means x times x, right? And then you're asked to multiply it with x to the third, which is x times x times x. So I'm going to take this multiplication symbol and put it there, and then x to the third, I'm going to expand that so we can see it. Like so. Well, what we have are 5 x's all multiplying together, and so we know that exponents are used to write repeated multiplication much shorter. So the base is x, and it's being raised to the 5th power. Well, the shortcut then is that if the bases match, when I say base, I mean that main number or variable here. If they match, then you simply keep that base in your answer, and then you take the exponents here, and as you can see, if you simply add them up, you get the final result. You get the new exponent. So let's try that with numbers. Imagine we have the problem 2 to the 80th power. I chose that because I don't want you to work it out. I want you to keep it written like this. And we're asked to multiply it with 2 to the third power. And the instructions say to simplify. Well, what that means is I don't have to work it out necessarily, but I do need to write it much neater than it is, much simpler. So again, we can use this rule. The bases match. So we're going to keep the base, and then the exponents, 80 and 3, you just add them together and you get 83. And that is your simplified answer. So that's what we mean when we simplify with exponents.